What makes one cotton fabric feel rough and fuzzy, while another feels smooth and luxurious?
The answer lies in two important textile engineering processes: carded yarn and combed yarn.
Every cotton fiber must first pass through a process called carding. During carding, rotating wire brushes open fiber clumps and align the fibers into a loose parallel arrangement.
But carded yarn still contains short fibers, loose hairs, and tiny knots called neps.
This creates a wild, fuzzy texture that feels rustic, warm, and slightly uneven.
For higher quality yarns, the fibers go through an additional process called combing. During combing, nearly 15% of the raw material is removed as waste, known as noils.
The combing process removes short fibers, impurities, and tangled cotton fragments.
Only long, straight, and parallel-aligned fibers remain inside combed yarn.
Carded yarn feels rough and fuzzy, while combed yarn feels smooth, neat, and luxurious.
Because of better fiber alignment, combed yarn is significantly stronger and harder to tear. Carded yarn breaks more easily because short fibers weaken the yarn structure. Carded yarn is highly prone to pilling and surface fuzz after repeated use. Combed yarn resists pilling because loose fibers were removed during combing. Carded yarn often appears uneven and slightly lumpy in texture. Combed yarn creates highly even and consistent fabric surfaces.
Carded cotton fabrics typically shrink between 5 and 7% after washing.
Combed cotton fabrics are more stable and usually shrink only 3 to 4%.
Carded fabrics look matte and hairy, while combed fabrics show a cleaner and slightly lustrous appearance.
Carded yarn is widely used for denim, towels, workwear, industrial canvas, and tote bags. Its irregular structure traps tiny air pockets that provide excellent thermal insulation.
Combed yarn is preferred for fine t-shirts, baby wear, luxury bedding, and premium fashion garments.
Its smooth surface allows sharper printing and clearer knit pattern definition.
Combed yarn costs more because the process is longer and removes a significant amount of raw material.
However, combed cotton garments usually last around 30 washes longer than carded versions. That longer lifespan helps reduce textile waste and improves long-term sustainability. Here's an easy identification method called the backlight test. Carded fabric shows loose, fuzzy fibers, while combed fabric appears cleaner and tighter. Another simple method is the rip test. Carded yarn tears more easily, while combed yarn is much tougher and more durable.
Both yarns are essential in the textile industry, but each serves a completely different purpose.
Carded yarn offers affordability and warmth, while combed yarn delivers smoothness, strength, and premium quality.
Subscribe for more textile engineering videos, spinning technology insights, and industrial manufacturing documentaries.